Hi, this is Cassario. I'm a wedding and portrait photographer based out of South Jersey. I'm also the owner of Twisted Oak Studio, the multi-photographer wedding studio that I run with my wife, Sandy. We shoot roughly around 100 to 150 weddings a year, and to say that we love the storytelling aspect of photography is an extreme understatement. And if you're anything like us and you're interested in storytelling, I'm going to be talk for the global conference called Capturing Wow. My job as a storyteller is to tell each and every story in its own unique way. I want viewers to be able to look at these stories and feel like they were there, feel like they can smell the air or know the environment or the setting of the story that's being told. Get a little glimpse of who the characters are. But most importantly, I want to make it so that my clients can feel like every time they look at the photographs that I've captured, they can relive that day over and over again. Anyone who walks in my studio and picks up an album will be able to see how not only the stories that we've told, but how each and every one has been told in its own unique way. Anybody who looks at our website and the blog posts. And I've built a process around how I tell a story and the key elements that I look for that make a good story. I've always been the type of guy that says, once I feel that I've learned everything I can, it's the time to hang my cleats up. I always want to keep learning. There's always a way to better myself and better my craft. And this COVID pandemic has given us that extra time to educate ourselves. So when I was asked to join the Capturing Wow Global Summit, I couldn't have been more honored. There really is some of the best photographers and filmmakers from around the globe. And if you don't have anything on July 8th, come hang out, join me. I'm going to be speaking on storytelling, specifically the environmental portraits that I take. They're a very important part of my storytelling process. So stay home, stay safe, kick your feet up, and join me on July 8th. You can click on the link below to learn a little bit more about the Capturing Wow Global Summit. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But hopefully I see some familiar faces there. And that's it. I look forward to seeing everybody there. See you then.